What's up, my people? Your boy Onoski the Flex is here again. So, in today's video, I want to show you the best synthetic pair that you can trade as a beginner who want to embark on forex trading or the synthetic trading per se. Or if you have been trading currency pair before now, and then you want to make a switch to synthetic trading or come back to the derivative to trade with them, there are some good pairs that you can actually use to test your strategy, which will give you a heads up or encourage you to like, oh, my strategy works here, and also help you to understand how the lot sizing work in this system of trading. So if this is your first time of viewing my content, kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel and also give us a thumbs up and share this video to others who are in this journey so that we can all learn and grow together. So without wasting much of our time, I will just dive into what I have to share with you guys. I've listed out some of these pairs, and in each of these pairs, I'm going to tell you the reason why each of these pairs were selected. There are a lot of pairs that are available for you to trade, but these are the few ones that I have selected for you. And the reasons, I'm going to dive into the chart and show you why you should focus on this pair. So the first pair we have right now is Volatility 10 Index. So I'm just going to open the chart of V10 Volatility 10 Index, and then I will show you why it's one of the pair you should look out for. So this is the 24-hour chart of Volatility 10 Index, and one of the reasons why I selected this pair is one is the kind of structure they form, because as a trader, the first skill you acquire while learning how to trade is what? Your analytical skill. That is your ability to read the chart, your ability to understand market trend, which of course market structure is the key for those who are very much familiar with price action. So market structure is the key, and for you to have a pair that gives you, a clear structure that will be easy for you to understand, you will need a good pair that the structure is not as complex and it's not as complex as you can think of, so that your analysis can be very neat and precise. So as you can see my screen, the trend of the market is very clear. Even if I go in time past, you can actually see how clean the chart is looking. There is not much of noise, and it's easy for you to identify whether the market is trending towards the upward side or is trending towards the downward side. So that is one of the reasons why I select this pair. The second reason why I select this pair, that if a beginner trader you should look out for it, is because of the lot size. So I understand that many beginners who comes into trading, or those who are coming into trading newly, or those who have been trading currency pair, whenever they want to make a switch to synthetic trading, the first thing they want to be, the first thing they want to do is what? They want to actually trade with smaller amount of capital just to probably test their strategy. Or beginners, they may not want to take that much risks because they are still scared of, I'm going to lose my money and all. So this pair gives you that, flexibility for you to make that decision, because of the lot size is quite small, and the lot size to use here is not, is not as furious as some of the other pairs, which I'll probably talk on in in our next video. So I've said the first one is what? Because of the structure. The second one is because of the lot size. The lot size is quite good and easy. And before now, I've made a video on the type of lot size that you should use if you're still having problem on how to use lot sizing in trading. This is the video that you should actually watch so that you will know, you will stop blowing your account and all. So like I've explained, the next thing I want to talk about is the nature of volatility. Yes, pro trader will, most of the pro trader will actually want to trade pairs that are, that the volatilities are high. That is why for those who are familiar with currency pair trading, some of them will tell you that, oh, I prefer trading in the London section. Some will tell you they don't trade until the New York section, or because these are the sections where there are much volatilities in the market. But when it comes to the synthetic trading, you need to understand that everything you wish for has advantage and disadvantage. So there are pairs that has high volatility and there are pairs that have low volatility. As a beginner who is coming into trading, I don't expect you to go for the high volatility pairs. I expect you to go for the stable pair, the pairs that will not, gives you that, put you in that tension of, oh, what is happening? Am I running in loss? Is the trade moving against me and all? So this pair has, a very stable rate of volatility. That means that it is not as volatile as you can think of. That's to the point that it's going to blow up your account. So that is one of the third reason why I select this pair. The least lot size for this pair is 0.5. This 0.5, you cannot use it to trade other pairs. That is why it's important for you to actually come to this video and actually watch it if you are new to synthetic trading, so that you can know the lot sizes that are suitable for each pair. So you the 3 points I've made here is: number one, you need to be, because of the structure of this particular pair, because of the structure, if I even go down to the 4 hour, you will see how clear and precise the structures are going to be looking. So because of the structure is one of the reasons why I selected this pair. Number two, because of the lot size. Number three, because of what? The rate of volatility. So I'll move down to the next one, which is what? VTEM1X. So guys, this is the chart of volatility index 1X. Okay, the first one we talked about is what? Volatility 10 index, and the second one we are looking at is what? Volatility 10 index 1X. So you have to actually pay attention to the name. They might sound familiar, very similar, but they are not the same. Okay, so just like you can see, like I explained in terms of V10, this chart is also very, very clear. Whoever has learned about analysis and all, we definitely, you know, understand that this is actually a very neat chart that can be easily analyzed. Any good analyst can actually look at this just by the naked eye and tell you what is the trend of this market. You can see between this point and this point, the market was very, very bullish around here. Just I've not even done, but just by me looking at it, I can actually tell where there is a change of character and where that switch or transition took place around this region before the market start trending to the upward direction. So if you're having issue in terms of how to do analysis and all, don't forget to always come to the page to watch videos where I talked about top-down analysis, market structure, and all. So that is not the what we have for the day. I'm just showing you why you should actually pay attention to some of these pairs that I've listed for you guys. You can see the charts are very, very clear. There is no much of noise or what some people might call ranging in the market. So it is easy for you to make trading decision. And the best place for you to actually the best pair for you to trade, there are pairs that will not give you headache. If you see yourself struggling to understand the trend of a particular pair, it is not a good pair that you should focus on. So that is that about V10. Also, the lot size for this guy is also very stable and it's moved very neat and clean. Yes, there are times where you might experience some little, ranges, but those ranges doesn't waste much time. Look, this is just 24-hour, and you can see that after a little consolidation at any point in time, consolidation is just consolidation happens when the market want to make that transition. Probably the market is selling, it want to start buying. You see some sort of consolidation before it happens. Now, when you look at this V10, when you look at V10 currently, let me go to the 24-hour time frame. So this is the chart of V10. If you look at this, there is a bit of consolidation around here. That's to tell you that there is a possible sign of a pullback that might want to happen. So whenever a pullback wants to happen, that little consolidation will actually take place. But it all boils down to you trying to understand how this market works. So the next pair that we have here is what? V25 index. This is actually V25 index on the 24-hour time frame. Let me switch back to 24-hour time frame. You can see how this pair is behaving. Also very, very clean, having a very neat chart for you to analyze. And by naked eye, you can tell me what is the trend of the market. If you know the trend of the market, look at what the market is doing as you're seeing from my screen. Drop in the comment section. Let me see if you actually understand market structure. If you understand the trend of this market between this point and this point, just drop it in the comment section, okay? And then also look at this last page of the chart. Look at what is happening between here and here and tell me, is this market bullish? Is it bearish? By me looking at it, you can actually tell me if you understand how to read and interpret the structures of a particular market. You should be able to tell me that. So drop that in the comment section. I'll go through it to see whoever is getting it right. Okay, so also the list lot size for the lot size for this guy are also quite great. The list lot size is 0.5. That of V10 1S is also 0.5. That of V10 is 0.5. You can see that the lot size are correlating with these pairs which have dropped here. The lot sizes are correlating, which makes it very, very easy for you to trade, because a couple of times beginner traders have blown up their account because of what? They don't know the right lot size to use. They use a particular lot size to trade one pair. Moving to the next pair, they forgot that not every the pairs have different lot sizes for which they can be you can use to trade them. One might be higher than the other. The lot size used in trading this might not be suitable for that. But the pairs which I've listed for you guys, these three pairs, V10, V1S, and V25, as you're seeing on my screen, have the same lot size, which is why I said it is a good pair for you to trade as a beginner. So the next one I want us to dive into is actually V10 1X. So this is the chart of V75 1X. So you can actually see that the chart is not as clean as the other one. It's not as clean as the like of V10, V10 1S, and V25. But then the reason why I selected this pair is because it is a stable pair. What do I mean by a stable pair? The rate of volatility um is at a is very, very stable. It's not as high as one that can actually blow off your account. So that is one of the major reasons why I select this pair. It's very stable while trading with the least lot size. And the least lot size of this guy is 0.05. Remember the last ones. If you are actually having issue, like I've said before, now please come to this point and watch this video, which I lay much emphasis on lot size, so that you will not have issue or make any mistake of blowing up your account. So the next pair I want to talk about is jump 10. So this is jump 10. This is among we have jump 10, jump 25, jump 75, jump 100, and jump 50. So among this jump index, this is the most stable pair among all of them. Among the jump index, this one is the most stable one. So that is why I selected it for you guys, so that you can actually have good experience while trading with it. So even if most of the strategy you can think of works trading this pair, you can trade using your trend line. You can trade using your trend line. Okay, so for those who knows how to probably use trend line strategy, you can actually trade with it. This is what first touch, second touch, you look for the third touch after adding your confluence. If you don't know how to do that, there is also an available video that tell you trend line strategy for beginner and pro traders. So you can actually watch this and you can see how much I've made just trading with that trend line. So you can use any strategy, even if you are a supply and demand trader, you are an ICT trader, every strategy you can think of works with this particular pair. So that is one of the reasons why I selected them. The chart is also very, very clean, as you can see. And the least lot size, it is very, very stable. The least lot size is 0.001, which is very, very stable. You can actually trade with $10 account. You can trade with even $5 account on this particular pair. So that shows how stable it is. So that is one of the reasons why I selected this pair. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give us a like, comment, and if this is your first time of viewing this content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It will encourage me to draw more educative content like this. And if there is a video you want me to create as related to your trading, any challenges that you're having, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. So see you in our next video. On Skid Care. Stay blessed, guys.